Hello, my name is Ayu Kefriandi Kling, Electrical Engineering Education. A transistor is a semiconductor electron component that can function as an amplifier or switch for electrical signals. Transistors have three terminals and are just in a fraction of modern electronic devices, including computers, smartphones, and other electronic circuits. Transistor function amplifier. Transistor can amplify electrical signals. Currents the strength of the output current. Switch transistor can through the flow electrical current or off. Function like a microscopic switch. Logic gates. Transistor can be used to form digital logic gates, which are the basis of many digital electronic circuits, including computers. Types of transistor. Bipolar transistor, BJT transistor, they just displacement of current carries electron or holes to control current flow. Violet effect transistor. VT transistor, they just an electric field to control the conductive. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.